Breaking stimulus check update. Millions of Americans are asking the same question. Are new payments finally on the way? Well, today we have some major news that could change everything. Government giving 5 stimulus checks worth $5,000 in 2025 to citizens. And listen carefully. This isn't just political talk or empty promises. Real programs are being rolled out in states and counties across the country to support struggling families, students, and vulnerable groups.
What a great message to send to the working people of Missouri and the whole country that Trump's policies are working for them and their government's working for them. I can't think of a better thing to do than give them a piece of this wealth that, frankly, they have earned.
What a great message to send to the working people of Missouri and the whole country, that Trump's policies are working for them and their government's working for them. After years of uncertainty, this kind of direct support shows that many Americans won't be left behind. Now, before we dive into the breakdown of who qualifies, how to apply, and what programs are available in 2025, I just need a small favor. Please smash the like button, subscribe to LI's USA, and share this video so more families know about these life-changing opportunities. These initiatives are funded through the American Rescue Plan Act and local budgets, ensuring that families, students, and vulnerable groups receive direct assistance when needed most. This means the money is real, available, and already helping households in multiple U.S. cities and counties. From guaranteed monthly income programs to scholarships that reduce tuition costs, the opportunities are there. You just need to know where to apply. And here's the best part. With programs spread across cities and counties, eligible residents could see benefits worth up to $5,000 or more this year, making a real difference in meeting living costs and supporting education. The programs you need to know about. Let's break down some of the most important programs currently running in California and beyond. Each one targets different groups, but together they show a powerful movement of local support. 1. Sonoma County Pathway to Income Equity. In Sonoma County, the Pathway to Income Equity program is helping hundreds of struggling households. Eligible families can receive $500 per month for 2 full years. That adds up to $12,000 total. A lifeline for rent, groceries, or medical expenses. What makes this program even better is that the payments are unconditional. Families can use the money however they need it most. This program alone shows the power of targeted local action. While Washington debates, counties like Sonoma are delivering. 2. Sacramento County Family First Program. Next up is the Sacramento Family First Program. Around 200 families are being supported through monthly payments of $725 for 1 year. Do the math. That's $8,700 total. Imagine what a struggling family could do with that amount. Cover housing, keep food on the table, or pay down debt. Sacramento's initiative shows how stimulus-like support doesn't have to come from the federal government. Counties can take action when people need it most. 3. Mountain View. Elevate Mountain View. Now let's move to Mountain View. This city is home to Silicon Valley, where the cost of living has skyrocketed. The Elevate Mountain View program was created to keep families from falling behind. Participants receive $500 per month, with at least 166 households enrolled in this 2-year pilot program. Again, that's $12,000 over 2 years. The goal is long-term stability, not just a quick fix. For many low-income households in an expensive area, it could be the difference between staying housed and facing eviction. 4. Long Beach Pledge. Another powerful example is the Long Beach Pledge. Over 200 families are currently receiving $500 per month for 1 year. The program started in one neighborhood, but has since expanded across the city. It specifically helps families with children and those living below the poverty line, aiming to prevent homelessness and create stronger foundations for the future. Again, this is real money going directly into the hands of people who need it most. 5. Los Angeles, Flint Scholarship Program. Not all support comes as monthly checks. In Los Angeles, the Flint Scholarship Program is tackling education costs. University students can receive $5,000 per year. Community college students can receive $3,000 per year. This is renewable financial aid, meaning students can reapply each year. It helps reduce not only tuition, but also living expenses, keeping higher education within reach for more families. Putting it all together. So, what do these programs look like side by side? Let's simplify it. The table below shows how these amounts add up. Program type, annual value. Example, $500 per month, 12 months, $6,000. $725 per month, 12 months, $8,700. Scholarship, per year, $3,000 to $5,000. These examples prove that local programs can be just as powerful as federal stimulus checks, if not more. 1. Are these federal stimulus checks like in 2020 and 2021? No. These are not one-time federal payments. Instead, they are local programs offering monthly aid or education support. 2. Who qualifies? Eligibility varies. Some programs focus on families with children. Others target students, while some are designed for low-income households or pregnant individuals. 3. Can undocumented residents apply? In some cities, yes, but most programs are primarily for American citizens. 4. Where can I apply? Each program has its own application process. Counties and cities typically post the details on their official websites. If your area isn't listed here, don't worry. There may still be other programs running near you. Let's not forget the bigger picture. The fact that government giving 5 stimulus checks worth $5,000 in 2025 to citizens is more than just numbers. It's about restoring faith that hard work pays off. Families in Missouri, California, and across the country are finally seeing some relief. And again, what a great message to send to the working people of Missouri and the whole country, that Trump's policies are working for them and their government's working for them. This isn't about politics. It's about dignity, survival, and hope. We've gone through Sonoma, Sacramento, Mountain View, Long Beach, and Los Angeles, but there are hundreds of other programs across the United States. Your city or county could already have something in place. You just haven't heard about it yet. That's why we bring you daily updates here on Eli's USA. If you want to know when your area's program is covered, subscribe and turn on notifications. These programs may not look like the traditional stimulus checks from Washington, but they carry the same spirit. Direct financial relief when people need it most. So stay informed, stay hopeful, and remember, opportunities are out there, but you have to act to claim them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit. Until next time, take care and have a great day.